Welcome to a new SkyRoster training video. In today's video, we'll cover the individual roster without shift pattern or the no rotation roster. A no rotation roster is the type of roster in which shifts are assigned in no particular order or repetitive sequence. This type of roster is used to optimize the workforce cost and better fulfill employees' working preferences. So, for example, one way to improve the work-life balance in the company is to try and build rosters which maximize the number of desired and undesired days to work of our employees. Another main planning objective is to optimize the workforce costs, by bringing to work only the number of employees needed, plus a reasonable safety buffer. Okay, let's simulate these conditions and build no rotation roster to showcase these capabilities. First, let's add some preferred and unpreferred days to some employees. And, let's create a new manpower definition, which will reflect some traffic demand variation. Now, we'll start a new roster template. We'll set it as individual roster with no rotation. Select the manpower definition. Set the roster period. Select the employees for which we'll build the roster. And finally, set the hard and soft constraints. We'll use the default ones, for this example. Now, in the rostering workbench, we can start the solving process, which will begin to generate viable schedules, based on our configuration. With each solve, the engine continues to improve the previous solution. Therefore, the next generated solution's scores are getting better and better. The planners can tweak the constraints settings, by enabling or disabling hard and soft rules or by adjusting score weights, to optimize the working schedules for different outcomes. The no rotation template is geared towards a more dynamic working scheduling, as we can see here. If we look at the generated schedule, we can see that the roster engine tries to allocate the optimum number of staff to cover the workload, as defined in the manpower definition, whilst maximizing the number of preferred days of each employee. Alright, this is all for today. Take care and see you soon.